Hello friends, Jeff here with RV Optimizer, and today I want to show you the floor plan, the layout of three different B-plus RVs. First, the Thor Delano compared to the Winnebago Navion, and we're going to compare those two to the Tiffin Wayfarer. So let's start by looking at the Delano. Beautiful coach from the outside. As we go in here, you can see the steps, the controls coming into the unit. So this is on the Mercedes Sprinter van chassis. You've got a nice skylight, a little bunk on top. Come around, you've got a nice little seating area here that folds into another bed. A couch that does become like a Murphy bed, and that becomes your bed. On this side, you can see a nice galley, very good size. You got a big TV. Cabinets feel pretty good, soft close. Got your fridge and freezer there. Bathroom area, stand-up shower, nice skylight on the top of the showers. I love when they do that. Just makes them feel so much bigger than they actually are. Looks like you've got your stairs in there for the front area. And that is the layout of the Delano. Now looking at the outside of the Winnebago, see the ladder there? That's not on all of them to get onto the roof. You can see the door structure is set up very differently with all the little pockets they put in there, which is kind of nice. Once inside, also on the Mercedes chassis, also has the bunk over the top. This one does not have a skylight in it. It does have a fan above here though. You do have a nice little dinette area here, which looks like it folds down to a much larger bed with your couch and the Murphy bed. Looks like these come down to make up your legs as you pull it out. Nice setup here, similar layout, TV over your kitchen area. You've got your microwave down below. Also, your induction cooktop looks like. Fridge, freezer, then back into a bathroom with a different configuration here than the other ones. You have a window back here. Similar size shower and skylight. That is the layout of the Winnebago. So now let's look at the Tiffin Wayfarer. A little different design from the outside. One of the things that I do like at the Tiffins is they all put the TVs on the outside like that, which I think is very cool and handy and would be used. I also like how their door configuration is on the Mercedes chassis as well. You have a bunk overhead, which looks really tight. I'm not sure how many folks would get to lay up there. Maybe one child. I always get concerned about those because you feel like you're going to fall off in the middle of the night. This one is a Murphy bed right here. Across from that, you have some storage, and it looks like your TV comes up from out of the cabinet. So different dedicated kitchen area. I kind of like that. Set up well. A lot of cabinet space here, it looks like. Oh, surprise. You actually have, looks like a washer dryer in this unit. Going into the bath. Very nice setup in here. Definitely have a window. And actually this shower is a little bit larger than the other ones. So that is the layout of the Tiffin.